Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We have another mailbox opening today, and it's another toned coin. So we're going to do what we did last week and kind of combine a mail call with Toner Tuesday. This one came from a buddy on Facebook. He has a bunch of toned proof coins on there, saw it, thought that it was great, figured I'd get it. I do have a small problem though, because now that I have this one, I have to decide, do I want to keep the one that is currently in my proof typeset or replace it with this one? So I'll let you guys decide which one I should do. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. Now, as you can already see, it is a wheat cent, or sorry, a memorial back Lincoln cent. Wow, that just lights up. That's cool. You got the reds, pinks, purples, blue. It's gonna be a hard decision. $1963, proof 66, red brown. I think the other one is a 67, but I think it's a brown as well. So I don't know. I'm gonna let you guys decide. Let me go grab the other one. All right, and here is the other one. I was correct. 1961, proof 67, brown. That one's also really nice. What's going on? Wow. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and happy Toner Tuesday.